welcome back to my channel. I am Sammy Jayne and this is IdleGirl, and today it is Makeup Monday! Yay! I know a lot of you guys are really excited about Makeup Mondays and you're glad that I'm back with the makeup stuff because we do a lot of nail things on this channel, but I'm trying to bring back the makeup love. And I'm also trying to wear a lot more makeup as well, which you might have seen in my vlogs, which are uploaded on Sundays if you're interested in that and you're not already aware. So today's video is, I'm excited to do this and it's only going to be quite a quick, like a quickie, but I wanted to do it because I've been using this for the past few times I've done my makeup and I've fallen in love with it and I think it's really, really good and I wanted to do a video on it. So I don't know the brand unless the brand is called ML. I should have researched this, I'm so sorry. Maybe I will research this before I finish the video and it might be in the description box. But if it is, then have a look down there. But yeah, it's the ML Safari Bronzer. This is what it looks like inside. And I don't know what it is about this. Looking at it, I don't know, looking at it, I probably wouldn't have thought it was going to be that amazing. But actually, I'm just going to put it on and show you. I have a little bit of contour on my face, which you can obviously already tell because I'm trying to make myself look a little bit slimmer. But something about this, I just feel like it's very natural, very glowy. I feel like now's a good time to make this video because this is probably going to be a really good summer little take on holiday with you kind of thing. Which did I normally use to apply it? Did I use this? Oh, what did I use to apply it? I can't remember now. I'm going to go in with this brush. Pooh, how can I not remember? I'm sure it was this brush. So this is a stippling brush. It is the Real Techniques Duo Fibre Face Brush. Maybe this also helps to give it that like naturally kind of look. But basically, it literally just, I think it's very subtle and you have to build it and maybe that's why it looks so good. Also maybe it's just like the tone of it. I don't know if you can, like, you must be able to see the difference in my face, like, from this side to this side. Oh my god, I love it. Now, the reason why I don't know much about this is because it came in one of my, I think it might have come with my Feel Unique goodie bag. I have a feeling that's where it came from. Either that or it was one of the calendars, one of the advent calendars, or Birchbox or Glossybox or something like that. I didn't just actually buy it, so that's why I don't really know much about it. I just know it says ML on it. Model Launcher. It's not something that I've really particularly heard of, but if you guys know any more about it, please let me know down below. Let me know what you think of what I've just done to my face there. It just adds, I can't explain it, but can you see? Can you see? I just love it. I even put it in my vlog, I think, last week, because as I was doing my makeup, I was like, I need to tell guys about this. I need to tell my guys about this. I just think it's so natural and just gives you like a bit of colour. Mercedes, if you're watching this video, did this come in the goodie bag from Feel Unique? Because I really can't remember. I suppose, really, I'm being absolutely useless because if you guys see this and are like, oh yeah, I want it, where are you going to get it from? We don't even know what it is or what it's called or where it's from. It was made in China and that's all I can tell you. Model Launcher. Google Model Launcher. But this isn't like a first impressions either. I've used this a couple of times and I'm really happy with it. Just adds that little bit of like colour. And I think it has a glow to it, although it looks quite matte to me. Do you think it makes me look skinnier, guys? What do you think? Please, 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 I want to know your opinion. I want to know what you guys think about it. I'm going to finish my makeup off and then come back. But this is just like, this is how it's looking at the moment. Let's just pop a tiny little bit there. Even though, actually, I'm wasting it because I'm going to have my fringe down anyway. But this is like the end result before like the rest of my makeup. All that's going on my face now is a bit of highlight and maybe a bit of blush, but and then eyes, obviously. I just wanted to make this video because I'm really impressed with it and I just love it and I think it's just amazing. Let's get rid of the creasing already on my bloody eyes before I've even done my bloody. So, just love it. I just think it's so good. So yeah, I'm going to go finish the rest of my makeup and then I'll be back to finish off speaking about it. Right guys, this is the finished look and yep, I just wanted to show you guys like what it looks like with the makeup on. I haven't got any blusher on or anything else. I had that little bit of contour, this, and then I have got Lottie London highlight on my face, which I'm feeling really a lot right now. But yeah, I love this. If you've got any information on this, please leave it in the comments down below. Let other people know about it. Let me know about it because I feel like this is something I'm going to want to buy again once it's all run out. So yeah, please do leave me comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah.